I have voted to liberate Goa from the BJP virus, a virus which has affected the common man more than the COVID virus which has sold our jobs, which has sold our environment, which has sold our forests, which has sold our nature, everything to make a coal hub, which is doing negative politics in Fatarda, which is against development, a double engine which has derailed Fatarda's development. So I have voted to liberate Goa from such negative politics and have a stable government which will not see defections and which will improve the name of Goa in India's political scenario.
How is the voting going on in Fatarda?
Voting is good, but I think it should be a little faster. Because if we go by the average of the two booths that I have visited now, it does not seem that we will be able to do it within the time. It is on an average around 100 to 130 booths. So if you go by the normal calculation, I expect that voting will, wherever there are 600 plus votes, voting may go beyond the time of 6 o'clock. ते फास्ट जावपाचें गरज फास्ट जर जालें ना जाल्यार लोकांचें मतदान दिवपाक ताजेर दिसता हें जाता विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर पीपल.
Result
The enthusiasm that is बारें जालां गोंयांत बारें जालां की भायरच वचपा जाय आनीक फातोर्डा मतदारसंघांत म्हाका दिसता आमी ऑलरेडी बरे आहा लोकांनी पळय मिटिंगेक बी येवन दाखयलां आनीक सगळ्यांक खबर आहा की तिसऱ्यो पार्ट्यो बीजेपीनूच हाडल्या मतां फोडपाक. हे वोट स्प्लिटींग जावचें न्ही ही जी मेसेज गेल्या ती म्हाका दिसता लोकांचे भितर गेल्या सारकी कितलेय पयशे घाले जाल्यार ती मेसेज चेंज जावची ना. काल महाराष्ट्रांतल्यान आनीक बीजेपी रूल स्टेट्स आनी तांचे जे ऑब्जर्वर आहा तेंच्यान बॅगां खूब आयल्या रातचे पुलीस एक्टीव जाले हांगाचो PI बीजेपीचो पोलिंग एजंट कसो वागता आनी सगळ्यांक हांव वॉर्न करता आतां सारकें वागा नाल्यार आनी एक म्हयन्यांनी तुमचें आबेडतोड जातलें.